The fallout has already begun over the Supreme Court's landmark ruling that gives presidents, quote, absolute immunity, unquote, for official acts while in office. Today, the sentencing date for former President Trump's so-called hush money case was delayed until September 18th, as Trump's attorneys seek to overturn that conviction. CBS's Jan Crawford is here with us. Jan, fair to say that in this Supreme Court term, the former president played a large role?
Yeah, I mean, that's fair to say. And it was a good year for the former president. In 3 of the cases that the court had that directly affected him, he won all 3. But 2 of those cases may not end up being that big slam dunk that he was hoping for. First, they had that Colorado ballot case, a big win for Trump, where the court ruled unanimously that states couldn't kick him off their primary ballots. Then we had the January 6th case involving the obstruction of an official proceeding charge that Trump and several hundred January 6 defendants were facing. The court narrowed that charge, said it had to be tied to destruction of evidence or documents. But special counsel Jack Smith can probably show that Trump was trying to interfere with evidence, and that charge will remain. And then finally, immunity. They can definitely immunity for official acts, but not for unofficial acts. What does that mean? Special counsel Smith is going to have to show that some of that behavior around January 6th was unofficial. And I think it's highly likely he will be able to do that, and that prosecution will still go forward.
Jan, another theme for this high court term, dealing with the federal bureaucracy and its interaction with individuals and businesses in our country.
Absolutely. I think that in many ways is the big takeaway from the term of what the court did to kind of rein in the so-called administrative state, what conservatives like to refer to as unelected federal bureaucrats. In 3 different cases, the court really recalibrated their power, scaling it back. It's going to make it easier for Americans and businesses to challenge a lot of those agency decisions.
A different legal landscape. Jan Crawford, thank you very much.